Hi there, I'm Joris. Today we will take a look at the Orbitkey Key Organizer, made from cactus leather. Orbitkey claims that cactus leather is a great alternative to traditional leather. I really adore the vibrant green color. Let's begin with the packaging. It is very nicely and it's recyclable. There's also an instruction on the packaging. But since this is my second Orbitkey, it's pretty straightforward for me. Here's my old Orbitkey Key Organizer. It served me well for about 3 years, but the leather has become a bit worn and dirty. I will be using this for my second set of keys. To switch the keys to my new Orbitkey Key Organizer, I will use a 5-cent coin to unscrew the key holder and then clean each key one by one, using a mixture of draft and water. Now, it's time to prepare the new Orbitkey Key Organizer. I've removed the screw that holds everything together, and now I will reattach the keys one by one. After that, I will put the screw back in place. And that's all. It's that easy. Thank you for joining me as I installed my new Orbitkey Key Organizer, made from cactus leather.